Like many beginner traders, I spent a lot of time reading books, watching videos, and studying charts. Some of the dislikes about other gurus are number one, small account trading. Some refer to small accounts to be at $1,000. In my opinion, that's a lot of money, especially if you're a beginner trader with not much to start with. Number two, flexing success. Some flex Lambos or other fancy cars, elaborate homes, vacations, and stacks of cash. I understand those things can help motivate, but some flex way too much. I hope you find success one day allowing you to purchase those things if that interests you. Number three, monthly or yearly salary in one day. That sounds good, but is it smart to risk that much on one trade no matter your account size, especially for new traders? Number four, behavior. Speaking about church, then creating videos with foul language and socializing with, let's just say, unprofessional people. Not being a hater, but please understand, trading is difficult, will take time, and will not get rich quick. There are many successful traders. However, beware who you follow. You don't want scammed out of your hard-earned money. So do your homework, find a legit mentor, and let's get paid. Let's come back down to earth and let's begin with simple and disciplined trading strategy.